In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use class tracking in QuickBooks Online. Class tracking is a powerful way to slice and dice your financial data so you can see how different parts of your business are performing. Think of classes as labels you can put on your transactions, such as departments, product lines, or locations. Once you set this up, you'll be able to run reports that show how each area is doing without needing multiple company files. Let's start by turning class tracking on. In QuickBooks Online, go up to the gear icon in the top right, then choose Account and Settings. On the left-hand side, click on the Advanced tab. In this area, look for the section called Categories. Here, you'll see the option to track classes. Turn this setting on. Next, QuickBooks will ask how you want to assign classes. You can choose to apply one class to the entire transaction, which means the full invoice, bill, or receipt will share the same class. This is great if each transaction clearly belongs to just one area of your business. The other option is one class to each row. This lets you assign different classes to each line item on a single transaction, which is helpful if one invoice covers multiple departments or product lines. While you're here, it's a good idea to turn on the option to warn you when a transaction isn't assigned a class. This little reminder helps keep your data consistent, so your reports don't end up with missing information. Once you've chosen your preferences, click Save and then Done to lock in those settings. Now, let's create your class list. Go back to the gear icon and this time select All Lists. From the list of options, choose Classes. This is where you'll build the structure you want to track. Click New to create a new class. Give each class a clear, simple name that everyone on your team will understand. For example, you might create classes for different departments like marketing or operations, different product lines, or different regions if you operate in multiple locations. With your classes set up, you're ready to start using them on real transactions. Create a new transaction such as a bill, invoice, or sales receipt. You'll now see a class column on the form. Open the drop-down and choose the class that best fits that transaction. If you selected the one to each row option earlier, you can go line by line and assign a different class to each item. Once you consistently assign classes, your reports will become far more insightful and useful for decision-making.